Go, Go Tractors by Candice Ransom, illustrated by Mike Yamada. Tractor here. Tractor there. Tractors rumble everywhere. Big new tractor makes neat rows. Old red tractor scares off crows. Yellow tractor mows the weeds. Purple tractor drops the seeds. Tractors carry rake and plow. Look out for the pokey cow. Muddy hillside, wheels must grip. Steady tractor, do not slip. Tractors push. Tractors flash. Heavy tractors smash the trash. Giant tractors, tall and wide. Little tractors we can ride. Haul the pumpkins. Pick up hay. Work is over. Time to play. Tractors pull. Tractors strain. On the farm, on the road, busy tractors go, go, go.